Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. I'm Imran Johan from iGersolution.com. Today in this tutorial we will learn how to download and install netspeedmonitor on Windows PC and check your internet speed meter. If you are new in this channel, please feel free to subscribe my channel. So viewers, let's get started. First, click here, download. Speedmeter. Then go to this website software.com. Then click free download. Then download these two versions. Here my operating system is 64-bit, so I click here. If your operating system is 32-bit, click here. Now check this operating system properties. Here 64-bit operating system. So I click here. After that, click here. It will start downloading. I have already downloaded it. Here it is. netspeedmonitor 64. So first right click here, then go to properties, then go to compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode, then apply, okay, then install it. Next, agree, next, and again next, install, yes, finish. It is installing but not showing in the taskbar. So for this, right click in taskbar, toolbar, netspeedmonitor, then select English, then select this and save. Now it's showing. Go to configuration. Now select KBS, kilobyte per second, and everything is fine. You can change the font from here. You can select as you want. You can change the font size, make it bigger as you wish, then apply. Now here it is, the KBS per second. So viewers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe my channel, and like the videos, share with your friends, and write your opinion in comment section below. Okay, bye bye.